If you want to have a different wallpaper changing every week or almost every day, it can be done by the dynamic wallpapers options of the Samsung Galaxy phones. All you have to do is press and hold your screen. Now go down here where you can see wallpapers and style, and select the option called change wallpapers. Now you're going to go down, and here is the option called wallpaper servers dynamic lock screen. You're going to see every time you unlock your screen different wallpapers. So you enter here, and as you can read, keep things fresh with a different image each time you turn on the screen. New images every 2 weeks. Choose up to 5 categories. Maybe you like cats, download. Maybe you like food, I like art, download. And that's all you have to do. Select the categories. Let's wait. They download. In this case, for the video not be too long, only 2 categories. You can select up to 5. Update, auto update, and download using mobile data. You can select which option to use, and that's all you have to do. Go back, and each time you open and turn on your phone, you're gonna be seeing a different dynamic wallpaper. Subscribe to the channel, like, and thank you.